You only have one finger in it.
Okay, so today...
That's not gonna work. Okay,
so today we got the Home Depot front lip.
Today we're gonna be doing... Hey, mate.
Hey, mate.
You guys know on Emerson's car... Hey. There's a bin right there.
Same deal.
Today we're gonna be installing the... You guys have seen the front lip Emerson has on his car. It's just garage door trim.
No, it's not. It's Rocket Bunny.
We went out to Home Depot and we picked up this garage door trim. So this is basically when the garage door shuts, it goes on the bottom to seal it, but we can also use it for a little lip on the front. So we're gonna put this on. It was $20.40. We already had the hardware. We're just gonna throw in $2 for hardware. So it's a total of $22.40 to do this to your car. Again, this is something that we couldn't really find like a nice online, like Wish, AliExpress, whatever one. We didn't like any of the ones, so we're just gonna do this. 20 bucks, pretty cheap. Why are we so dark? Pretty cheap, it's pretty easy, but the only thing is on the Civic, it's got like, the black is coming off. So we have it jacked up and taped off. I was gonna just paint it, but I might as well show you guys. So we're gonna just paint this so that it's all black and it doesn't look ugly. And then basically when it's finished, it's gonna look like this. So this is what we bought. It's just like a foam, which is awesome because if you go low and you scrape it or whatever, it doesn't come off. It's pretty durable. It doesn't get like ruined. And it looks nice. Like Emerson's car actually looks really good with it on. This is basically the same thing as doing like an easy lip. They sell it online, they sell it at Canadian Tire, they sell it anywhere. And it's the same thing, but it comes with tape already on it, and it's like $40. So we're just doing it for $20 and taping and screwing it ourselves. Don't be lazy. It costs you money. We have $20 for the lip, $40 for the tack, $5 for the kill switch. That is $65. Anyways, let's shake this paint, mate. We gotta get going so you can vacuum your car. So this little black, it's just like, I think it's part of the bumper. I honestly just think it's paint because there's not even like a lip. I don't know why it's like that. But we thought that this yellow stuff was on here, so I rubbed it with a pad yesterday, and I completely rubbed black right off. And I wasn't even gonna paint this. I was just gonna put it on underneath because one day we're gonna get this wrapped anyways. Hey, stop being sassy over there. One day we're gonna wrap or paint or something this whole car, and I'm not gonna leave this black. So I wasn't gonna paint it, but I'm going to just so it doesn't look stupid for now. Hopefully it's the same black. It's not gonna be. There's gonna be a huge black spot right here. Yeah, that's gonna look better than the way it did before, so we're just gonna call it okay. And also, I know a lot of you guys that have been on the channel, you know about the seats and how we tried to install them a million times. But for those of you who weren't on the channel yet, these are the Recaro seats that we have. We have 2 of them. We bought them used, 250 bucks. They're pretty nice. But the other day when we went to take the seat rails apart, because we already failed once, we have a fail video of us putting these seats in. We went to take the seat rails apart, and this is a top mount and this is a side mount. You can see it. And the brackets that we have are only for top mounts, so they wouldn't work. So now I'm on a quest to find new brackets for those seats so that we can put those seats in the car. And I know they're blue. The car's not staying red, so don't worry about that. That's just an update for you guys. It's a little bit darker, but it's better than yellow and black. When the car's on the ground, like, you're super not gonna be able to tell because it's down there. Like, you barely even noticed it was yellow when it was down there, so. This is Morgan's like temporary list. We bought like a huge piece of paper that we're gonna, or like, I guess it's like a poster board. Yeah. And we're gonna put all this stuff on there eventually, but this is like our start. Just so you guys know, we're keeping track. So the tack, $39.19. The seats, we have them, they didn't go in yet. And then the lip, and then these are things that we've ordered that she's just making a list of things we know we've ordered but haven't come in yet. Thanks, Morgan. That's what you're looking for. And there's 2 different kinds of this. You can get one that's like a rubber, which we almost got by mistake because they switch places, but you want to get this one that's like a foam. Yeah, the rubber one has lines through it. You'll know right away that you have the wrong stuff. Oh, this has a staple in it. We also got the 9-foot one. You guys, if you drive friggin' semi-trucks, you can get the one that's 20 feet or whatever the next one is. 16, but don't need it. And it comes with nails. Don't use nails. This is what we're doing. We're gonna 2-way tape it, but also put screws in it. I just have black self-tapping screws that'll just go up into the bumper so you don't really see it. So this is what it looks like once it's all unraveled. You're gonna wanna take the part that has like this angle is gonna come down. That way it just kind of tucks away and looks cleaner. And then this will just fold. Kind of hard to hold it and show them. Anyways, moral of this story is get the foam one. Don't get the rubber one. You want the foam one because it'll bend, it'll look better, and you can hit it on a million things and it's not gonna break. This is what you've been hearing in the background of the video. This kid making noise. That side's dirty, but it's good. I actually don't know why this is even black. because it's not even a separate piece. It just got painted black. This is like glass, but these are plastic, so these fade, but these won't. This one is effed. Some nice man's parting out a Civic, and he's got everything for sale, but he only has one of these. And he has this one, which is the one I need, and he just told me I could have it for free, so we're getting it for free. Just stuff in your face, dude. Come on, we're trying to film a video. Hey, put that, get that in your mouth. Yeah, never mind. This whole piece wraps right around. This thing is one piece all the way under here, so we can't even clip it. You know what we're gonna have to do? Is just start in the middle. Just start. Put a screw in, and just start, and then work our way around the outside. Well, on Emerson's, he just used like clips, because his bumper just cuts off right here, and he just clipped it to the back. And that's what we were gonna do, but now that we've actually looked under it, it doesn't work that way, so. You want me to hold it?
Where you want it.
Like right on the line kind of thing, and then you'll drill it?
Where you want it is where I'm gonna drill it.
Whoa, we're kinking, you're pulling shit. It's all looks ugly as fuck in the front. Oh, that's my finger! Oh.
Yeah, you're not going very slow.
Here, go. Oh.
I feel like we should have drilled first.
Do you want to drill first? Because you're going to pooch this.
I feel like we should have just did pilot
You just
hole.
pooched the whole thing.
Let's do a pilot hole.
Like, look. We're drilling pilot holes because we try to put a self-tapper right through. Wait!
No.
Alright, that'll look better.
So
So, we graduated to big boy method of pilot hole first, then screw. So we cut it because on the corner, if you don't cut it and you bend it too much, it'll do that, right? So we cut it that way it just overlaps. That way it doesn't bubble or anything underneath. Oh, his hood came off. Oh, his hood came off. Oh. Dude, his hood just flew off in the parking lot. Oh, that was perfect. He's driving like 10 and his hood just goes yeet.
Thank God he didn't laugh.
You can see the hood right there beside his car. No, the man's just hoodless. So we put the first set of screws. Let's see how zoomed out I can get this. Are the black ones. So we put like these black screws, made sure it was all up, and we put them pretty far, like pretty spread out. And then we found a bucket of these little silver ones with like washers already on them. And then I basically went around and just riddled this thing with screws. That way it's never gonna come off. Because you don't have to put this many, and you can use like double-sided tape like we did. But just because we had so many of these screws, I figured why not go around and just make sure that it's never gonna come off. So now it's all on there. It's all like molded perfectly. We pulled out all the corners and everything. So it looks good. And now we just have to come to the corner here and basically just cut it with scissors like right to the length we want it at. Okay, and I'm just gonna put a little bit double-sided tape. Keep the corner from falling. I actually think it turned out really good. I don't think it's actually gonna end up sitting flat like we were thinking it would, but I kind of think that's okay, because if it does, it would look like an air dam more than like a lip. It's just subtle. It's just like there enough. It's not like the splitter on my car, but you definitely notice it, you know? That's literally gonna be the entire build. For 20 bucks, that's great. For 50 bucks, looks perfect. Cause yeah, I don't have high expectations, which leads to great looking things. So this is the first of many $20 mods that we're gonna do to the car, like just nice cheap ones. Like I said, we're working on the list. We're gonna, oh, I found another black screw in my pocket.
Well, kind of needed about 2 hours ago.
We're making a list, like you guys said, to make sure we keep track of everything. We're checking it twice. We're gonna make sure we have a good list. We bought a nice big poster board today, like I said. It's gonna be good.
There we go.
You sat behind me. Moral of this is don't go buy Easy Lip for $40 when you can get this for $20. Yeah, Easy Lip's easier to put on because it's got two-sided tape, but it means it's easier to come off too when you curb because you don't know how to drive. And let's face it, you don't know how to drive. That's it. That's how you put a $20 Home Depot garage door trim on your car. It looks like Easy Lip, and it's not as easy, but it's better and more cost effective. Also not from Wish or Ali websites.
Alibaba.
But things that are the same price to get them on these websites, why would we wait months to get them when we could just do it right now? It's bedtime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. He'll catch you next time. We'll catch you next time. I'm gonna say this all again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.
That's it. No peace out for you.
And stay committed.